Welcome. During winter season, birds used to migrate to a warmer place, and when spring comes, they will return back home. But there are certain birds which won't migrate at all. They used to adapt themselves for the warmer weather and colder weather. They used to live in their home countries alone. Let's see about Canada's 5 non-migrating birds. First, brown creepers. They used to live in Canada forest. Next, Canada jays. They are seen in Canada's Ontario province. Next, dark-eyed jucos. They used to live across North America. Next, whistlers common golden eyes. They used to live in winter along coastal shorelines. Next, ruffed grouse. They found all across Canada and they are better in winter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.